You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome! Today we're continuing our Costa Rica relocation series by talking about something absolutely essential: residency and legal requirements for expats. If you've dreamed of living in Costa Rica, you're going to need to understand the residency process to make your move official. But don't worry. In this episode, we're going to break down the different types of residency permits, the application process, and what you need to know about permanent residency and citizenships. First, let's talk about the types of residency permits. Moving to Costa Rica is exciting, but before you settle in long-term, you need the right residency permit. The good news, Costa Rica offers several options depending on your income, work status, and investment plans. First, retirement residency. If you're a retiree with a steady income, this program might be the best option for you. Here's what you need to qualify: a guaranteed monthly pension of at least $1,000 from Social Security, a pension plan, or another verifiable source, enrollment in Costa Rica's public healthcare system, and regular renewals. You need to spend at least 4 months per year in Costa Rica in order to maintain this status. This visa is one of the most popular options for retirees looking to enjoy Costa Rica's affordable cost of living and world-class healthcare. 2. Residency for financial independent individuals. Maybe you're not retired yet, but you have enough income to support yourself. That's where this comes in. To qualify, you have to show proof of $2,500 in guaranteed monthly income for at least 2 years, or make a $60,000 deposit into a Costa Rican bank. This visa is great for freelancers, digital nomads, and self-employed individuals who want to enjoy the Costa Rican lifestyle without needing a work permit. Third, the investor visa. If you're looking to start a business or invest in Costa Rica, the investor visa could be a great option. To qualify, you have to invest at least $150,000 in real estate, a business, or an approved Costa Rican project. And you have to renew your visa every 2 years. This visa is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to open a hotel, an eco-lodge, a cafe, or rental property in Costa Rica's booming tourism sector. And work permits. Can you legally work in Costa Rica? Well, it's not that simple. Costa Rica does not easily grant work permits to foreigners unless they have highly specialized skills that a Costa Rican citizen cannot provide. However, you can work remotely for a foreign company, and then you won't need a work permit. Many expats work as digital nomads, freelancers, or business owners. Now let's look at the residency application process. So how do you actually apply for residency in Costa Rica? The process might seem overwhelming, but breaking it down step by step makes it easier. First, gather your required documents. Here's what you need: a valid passport with at least 6 months before it expires, a birth certificate, background check from your home country, proof of income, and marriage certificate if you're applying with your spouse. Some documents have to be certified and translated into Spanish, so it's important to plan ahead. Step 2, submit your application. You can apply from within Costa Rica or at a consulate in your home country. Applications have to be submitted to the Costa Rican Immigration Office. Some people handle the process themselves, but others hire an immigration lawyer. This usually makes for a smoother experience. Step 3, wait for approval and register. Approval can take anywhere from 3 to 12 months. Once you're approved, you can enroll in Costa Rica's national healthcare system. You'll receive a DIMEX residency card, which serves as your official ID in Costa Rica. This process takes time, but many expats say it's worth it to enjoy the benefits of legal residency in Costa Rica. So what happens after you've been a resident for a few years? Can you become a permanent resident or citizen? Let's look at permanent residency. After 3 years of holding temporary residency, you can apply for permanent residency. Permanent residents have fewer restrictions, including the ability to work legally in Costa Rica without needing a work permit. You have to renew your residency every 5 years. 2. Becoming a citizen. You can apply for Costa Rican citizenship after living in the country for 7 years as a resident. Here's the benefits. You can vote in Costa Rican elections, you don't have to renew your residency, and you can have dual citizenship for many different countries. If you're planning an international move, let SDC International Shipping take the stress out of the process. We specialize in safe, reliable, and efficient international moving services. Visit our website today for a free quote and expert guidance on your Costa Rica move. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a review if you found this episode helpful.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.